Results-based school accountability is the expectation that schools are responsible for the extent to which their pupils learn. It's been the backbone of education reform in the U.S. for the last 2 decades and has traditionally been seen as having 3 parts: academic standards, assessment of student performance, and consequences for schools whose students fail or meet them. However, today, most experts recognize that a 4th part needs to be added: attention to the capacity of schools, districts, and states to fix their shortcomings and up their game. It doesn't help kids just to ding their school for its failures if nobody at the school has the capacity to make it better. Fixing, or closing and replacing troubled schools is extremely difficult. Policy leaders should take into account whether their schools, districts, and states possess the abilities, along with the will, to fix the shortcomings identified by student assessments. Whatever remedies are chosen, tomorrow's education and government leaders should recommit to results-based school accountability, strengthened by a focus on the system's capacity to engage in necessary reforms.